How's it look?
You're clear over here. You're clear over here. You're clear over here. Holy cow.
Where's this go? Where's this go? Where's this go? Where do I go?
Keep going. Keep going. It keeps going and then it curves off to the northeast.
You recording?
Yes, I'm recording. Alright, now we're going off to the northeast. We'll go a lot of long ways northeast. We should be able to get out of this.
Stop slowing down. Stop slowing down, people.
Oh, crap. What is going on here?
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Go run him.
Stop. What are you fucking doing?
Oh, it's some old lady. Maybe we got a little scared.
Chris, nothing severe to report up here at this point in time. Although I am seeing some reformation out to my west. Are you reform west of